Welcome. In today's teaching, I'm going to walk you through on how to enable Safe Search in Windows 11 laptop or computer. So if your computer runs Windows 11 operating system, I'm going to walk you through on how you can make use of it in terms of Safe Search. Okay? Safe Search is a feature that when enabled in a PC filters out some adult content when you make some search on the web using your web browser. Maybe have a minor or minors that access your PC, and sometimes they visit the internet using using your PC. It's necessary to enable safe search. Maybe you choose the option for moderate or strict, so that when they search some things that may bring up some adult content, they will not be able to access that. Okay, the result may display, but they cannot access the page fully. So that is the importance of enabling safe search feature in a PC that runs Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. I'll click on the start menu, start button, click on settings. This will open the settings page of your PC. Okay, then these are the settings menu items by the left here. But where we're going to enable this feature is on privacy and security. So click on privacy and security. Okay, it opens some sub settings, or will I say options on the page. Okay, but our interest is on search permissions. So click on search permissions. This will open a new subsettings page, which is search permissions subsettings page. Okay, one of the headings here is safe search, which is our area of interest. By default, safe search is set as moderate, okay, in Windows 11 PCs, which says filter adult images and videos, but not text from my web's results. So Microsoft understand the importance of this, so that's why they place it on moderate, so that when somebody makes some search and the result has adult content in it, it will display the search result, but accessing it may not be easy for the person. Okay, so if you choose to filter out everything, then you can go with strict. Okay, it says filter out adult text, images, and videos from the web results. So in this situation, whether text or images or videos that contain adult content will not show in the search results. Take for example, so the person is using Microsoft Edge to browse. Anything that contains adult content will not be shown up in the search results. Okay. Then off, maybe you don't want any filter at all, so you can go with the option for off, which says don't filter adult content from the web result, be it text, images, or videos. None will be filtered. Okay, but to be on a safer side, because you don't know who will access your PC at any point in time, I think it's better you go with the moderate option, which is set by default. All right, so these are just the few steps you have to take to enable safe search in a PC that runs Windows 11 operating system. I hope this video helps. Please, if it does, like the video by hitting the like button. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time, or maybe you have been following the videos on this channel but you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to do that by hitting the subscribe button, as that will make a huge difference to my YouTube channel, and I need to grow, and I know you want me to grow as well, so please do that. Then, if you want to watch some other videos on how to complete some tasks, be it basic tasks on Windows 11 operating system, please hit the playlist above on Windows 11 and watch a lot of videos that will walk you through on some steps on how to complete some tasks in Windows 11. Thank you and see you some other time.